Apollos.
You know it's your boy Blink Cadillac, the girl of Heart Attack. Hear me now, man. Big up the whole of the Cadillac family, right? The thing sloppy, but hear me I say, a fierce promotion, right? And them a keep the mad party, the party is sloppy well out, October the 11th. Now go tell you the party name. The party is called White Jeans and Tie Affair. You know me I say, it's a king and queen edition, so nothing can go wrong. And me fi tell you about it. A be a bad sound again at the party. BC ADC. You know me I say, live from Kingston, Jamaica. Alex Ross live from Kingston, Jamaica. You know me I say, Street Team, the mad sound from Canada, go slap with the party. Who over there? She's a Sherlock. You know me I say, host the party for Jesus Christ. The ladies come out now, your tens and thousands and 20. Come out plenty. You know me I say, and you know over there right now, special guest. Blink Cadillac, Mother Road Squad, and the whole signature family. Slap well out. So hear me I say, October the 11th, White Jeans and Tie, King and Queen edition, On the Rocks nightclub. Can't miss it. I'm out.